उसकी ड्रेसिंग स्टाइल देखी, क्या लगता है यार, मतलब लुक एट द वे ही ड्रेसेस अप एंड कैरीज हिमसेल्फ, ही सो स्टाइलिश, सो पॉलिश, सो अट्रैक्टिव. एंड दिस वन हु आई एम विथ, इसको बेसिक ड्रेसिंग सेंस नहीं पता है क्या. Let me share 5 reasons why couples cheat on each other. The first one is when you find something missing. मतलब loyal है, respectful है, caring है, but you have someone new who makes you laugh and is a little bit romantic, and you're like, but वो romantic नहीं है. And what you do is you get attracted towards this person, and you end up making the biggest mistake of your life, is that swiping those 98 blocks for these 2 blocks. Time लगेगा पर आपको पता चलेगा that what a big mistake you have done. The second one is that he understands me so well, or she understands me so well. No brother, she doesn't understand you well, she's new. Okay, your partner stood with you in the darkest times, in your struggles. So of course there's no constant validation जो ये नए पैकेज में आपको मिलेगा. So just go easy. The third one is that we're just friends. Get out of that illusion that we're just friends. You all are not friends, brother or sisters. You know what, y'all are beyond that. पता है क्या? Because there's constant texting, late night chats, and sharing pictures and giving updates that you have to only give your partner. Basically you're giving all that attention to this new person in your life, and then धीरे धीरे what you say, पता नहीं कैसे हो गया, बस वाइब्स मैच हो गई यार हमारी. मतलब से कनेक्शन फील हुआ. नो, कनेक्शन फील नहीं हुआ, आपने धीरे धीरे स्टेप बाय स्टेप वो कनेक्शन बनाया. ठीक है. Then after that, the fourth one is that I deserve better. Like this person is so irritating, constant nagging, kit and so many restrictions, but this new one just understands me so well, and he's so peaceful, so calm and composed. वो थोड़े टाइम में आपको पता चलेगा that how peaceful and how calm and composed he or she is. And the fifth one is that you get attracted to their dressing sense or their personality, or the way they carry themselves, and you're like, wow, isko dekho aur apne wale ko dekho. You can upgrade the dressing sense, not the character. Okay, so you have to understand that cheating is all about self discipline and emotional hunger. Okay, you have to value what you have instead of fantasizing what you don't. So be loyal and stay happy.